how close you can get.
Yep, they're kind of not liking it.
Already.
Yep. They're like, a little bit too close, buddy.
You're in my space.
Or.
He's thinking about it.
There we go. That one, you don't want to have the flat way.
Nope.